name is Mike Killian. I'm with the City Museum. I've been here since before it opened, when it was being built, and have been a hobbyist in old textile machines and rebuilding the machines, specifically machines that make shoelaces.
And my name is Jerry Livings. I am a bench jeweler. You know that guy when you get a ring sized or a prong fixed? I'm that guy. And for the last just over 10 years now, I've been studying aglets, which are the little things on the end of shoelaces.
And the shoelace was all made on a particular machine that dates back to 1890. So this machine ran for about 24 hours and pumped out a lace that's 700 yards-ish long. However, it's not really a shoelace until it has
Aglets.
Exactly.
So, and that's where I come. So Mike contacted me to say, hey, I've got this 2B shoelace and I need aglets for it. So I made a couple of sterling silver aglets, modern ones.
So for the world's longest shoelace,
Yes.
it didn't seem like we should just do our standard acetate plastic film shoelace, which is, you know, what everybody has on their shoes. So it had to be something really nice. So that's why Jerry made
silver.
that out of silver.